Yes, so good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? Dharitri ji, I'm seeing in the new year for the first time today. So,
I came
and
from
others,
Nasik. I've
other,
come from Nasik.
okay. So, good afternoon, everyone. Those whom I can see, on the participant list, the Sumati is there, okay. And okay, good afternoon, everyone, and happy new year once again, and happy to see you all. To begin with, this small introduction about Get Set Up for those who are new. Get Set Up is a platform where this is actually for older adults, different classes are held so that, we learn a lot of new things. So it can be a social hour, or it can be a nutrition hour, or it can be something related to technology. So a whole day, like small school kids and college kids, we are coming on this online classes, and we are learning new things every day. I personally enjoy every class when I interact with all of you. And yesterday, I don't know whether Sridevi ji is there today, because she has already said that Bhavani is witty and clever. She is making us, having juice first and then tea. Then, she is trying to put everyone into that track of, having good health. So this is the thing which gets at a platform we are getting, and I'm happy, and I believe that all of you are also happy on this, meeting on this platform. So just to quickly, I'll share the screen, and this is how, when you go to, search getsetup.in, so you get the number of classes which are scheduled. You can, get to see. Say for example, the next class is Bindas class. So this learn a new craft. So if you click on that, my laptop is a little slow, it seems. So you get the options like, yeah, you get the options like, you can share it on WhatsApp, you can share it on Facebook with your friends and family members, so that our group grows larger and larger, and we all are, benefited on this platform. So welcome all of you. And since the new year, I have actually, my resolution was never, like, losing weight or something. It was always, taking care of health. The reason was because I had seen in my family, and people who are not keeping well, and there are reasons why, because they did not take care of their health during their young age. So my whole goal is to bring that health and happiness amongst people. So I thought, okay, it's been almost 2 months on this Get Set Up platform. So now all of us, we are quite close to each other. We have started understanding each other. So initially I was little, polite. So now I've decided to be little strong with all of you, so that you all take care of your health properly. So one by one, I'm going to, have those bombarding sessions where you can actually, think after the session. Okay, Bhavani has said this, so that means let me try, at least give a try. So we had this chai session. So yesterday, so one of you have already said that you stopped and then you got headache. So this is the first step. You don't give up. Maybe I would, slowly you start, going away from all those bad habits, or all those addictions. Okay. So today's topic is something related to kidney and creatinine. So this is kidneys. We all know that, this plays a very important role, because we have to keep our kidneys clean. In the, there's a small thing which I would like to share. Say when you want to grow a rose, okay, in a desert. So just, you put a yes or no on comment box, chat box. Is it possible to grow a rose in a desert, rose plants in a desert? Sumati has said no already by nodding her head. No. Okay, this is
Yes,
not possible.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
how do you grow that rose plant in a desert?
You put a greenhouse, make a
That's
greenhouse and grow it.
you, because you are giving an environment for that rose to grow. Otherwise, in a desert, it is not going to grow. Same way, inside our body also, there is an environment, and if we are supplying with good food, good nourishment, and oxygen, and all sort of good things, so then our organs are also, functioning in a better way, in a nice way, and that's the reason why we might not land up in different types of health troubles. But at the same time, if you are providing with all sorts of, you're not giving that good environment, that means what? Naturally, we are going to land up in some or the other trouble, and that's what exactly is happening. If you see, okay, it is not because, it's a very common thing, people say कि अभी तो उम्र हो गई है, अभी तो बीपी आए होगा ही होगा, फिर अभी तो ये होगा ही होगा, मेनोपॉज हो गया तो अभी तो घुटनों में पेन होगा. See, all these things are, we have, mentally we start giving up. Okay, it's a very common thing. All of you must have observed this, right? This is very common. अभी हो गया 50, 50, 60, 70 हो गया तो जो ये प्रॉब्लम होगा ही होगा. Nothing like that कि कोई प्रॉब्लम जरूरी ही नहीं है कि it has to come just because you have grown old. We can always stay fit, always stay healthy. Rather, the healthy word is correct word. So that's the reason why we need to take care of every part of our body, every organ of our body. We have to eat mindfully. We have to, take care of everything. Okay, so here today's topic is creatinine. So to in a very simple, layman's language, what is creatinine? So this is, creatinine is something which is stored in the muscles. So 90 to 95% of creatinine is stored in the muscle. Rest of the 5 to 10% is washed out through the urine. Okay, but the creatinine, this is a very common thing. Okay, but when the creatinine level increases, it rises, then that time there might be, some problems which will be associated to kidneys. And that's the reason why we have to be very careful about our kidneys, because kidneys are the organs which are going to flush out all the toxins from the body. Now, if you see, there are certain indications, that your kidneys are not functioning properly. What can be those indications? Number one is when you pass urine. So if that is something like, in Hindi we call it as जो झाग जैसे आता है, when you mix up detergent powder with water, what do you call it in English? That kind of yeah, Sarita ji, please unmute.
Yeah.
Bubbles.
Froth.
Froth, yeah, a kind of froth or bubbles. Yes, yes. So the same way, when you pass urine, you will get to see that kind of thing. If you get to see such thing, that means there is a serious issue with your kidney, and now we have to start thinking about how we can take care of our kidneys. That is one way. Second, because you will, you see, anyways, we go for monthly check, quarterly checkup and all, but then these are the simple ways wherein we can find out, okay, my kidney is functioning properly or not. So one was through urine, we can find out. Second one is, if you get rashes very frequently on your skin, and those which are itching a lot, it is not going only, maybe you are thinking that because you have eaten something wrong, or maybe some cosmetic which you have applied is not correct, but then constantly when you get those rashes and which are very itchy, that means again there is some problem related to your kidney. These are some of the indications. The body indicates us, the body tells us, that something is wrong. When we start ignoring the signs, then the problem arises. We just land up in a hospital, or we go for testing, and then we come to know that this is the problem, and then we start taking the medicines. So if we start observing all these small things, we get to know that there is some problem with our body, or with our, especially when we get to see the urine and the skin problem. So maybe it is related to kidney. Then we can go for the KFT, that is kidney function test. So wherein you get to know that, if there is any problem that comes on the test when it is done. Now the thing is, how do we take care of our kidneys? One is a very simple way. One is through diet, and second is, it's like what do you call it, as like the natural, the detoxification, the natural remedies which I say. So those things can be done on and off, for 15 days you do, then stop. Even if you do not have kidney problem, you can do those remedies. You can, because we need to detox our kidneys regularly, because kidneys, as other organs, kidneys are equally important, or rather very important. Okay, so when we come to the diet part, first thing, in Ayurveda, because we have, when the nutrition and the dietetics which we have studied, so we have actually referred to all the American books, and our thesis and everything was done like that only during my college days. And then slowly, when I started switching towards Ayurveda diet, when I did some courses on Ayurveda diet, so there it was a specific thing was mentioned, which that time I could not understand that why this is given. So because in our nutrition books we study that protein is very important. Okay, and protein is something we calculate per, it's like per gram. Like if you are weighing 60 kgs, that means your protein intake should be 60 grams. It is calculated in that way. But when I was going through the textbooks of Ayurveda, it was just opposite. It is mentioned that after the age of 30 you don't require much protein. So the minimum you take, the protein intake is minimum, the more you will be healthy. So initially, when I started going through these textbooks, I did not like the logic, because it was actually contradictory. Then slowly I started understanding, because when we talk about the kidney, kidneys are pressurized, or kidneys stop working properly if the protein intake is very, very large. Or it can be vice versa, that your kidneys are getting damaged and your protein intake you are not stopping, or you're not reducing. So that way it is getting more damaged. So that is the reason why when diet becomes plays a very important role. So now what a diet has to be taken. Now how many of you have actually done a kidney test, kidney function test? Okay, Dharitri ji has done. Anyone
Uh,
else?
uh, no, this great, there is a creatinine test is there, no? That
Yes,
also shows the level.
yes,
Only when
yes,
that exceeds, then you have to go for other investigations. Like
yes.
our
So that
regular test. Yeah.
yes, yes. So that
Ma'am,
is somewhere it comes to 0.6 to 1.2 something, milligram per
One point
deciliter.
for
1.2 or something is there.
1.3 for males, 1.3 for
Uh,
males, and I think 1.2 or 1.1 for females, something like that.
yes.
I
So
mean,
actually,
depending on
I
the
went
lab,
for
you
a
know,
body checkup for
uh,
adults, for old people, and in
uh,
that kidney cyst was there.
for if you are talking about yourself, you are talking about yourself, Dharitri ji.
Yes, I went for
Oh,
I was in Bombay. I got myself tested.
uh-huh,
That means above 60 or some old people they test, isn't it? So I
uh-huh,
went there, and I found that they said that I have got cyst in the kidneys.
uh-huh.
I'm interested in your diet.
Okay. 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 So Dharitri ji is interested in diet plan. Okay, fine. So this is, not for people who are actually, suffering from some kidney problem or something, not for the reason, but still it is better that we understand, certain things, and we try to implement those things the way you have started implementing few things in your daily life by drinking juice and by having the different types of tea and all. Same way, if you start looking at your diet, so in this diet what happens is, if you really want to add, especially once we after a certain age, when there is not much of physical activity, and maybe certain illness starts setting in. So in these cases, and especially if you have, like Dharitri has already said that she has this problem, so in this way, what the best thing is, to avoid any protein rich diet, because that is going to immediately affect your kidneys. Now, avoiding protein rich diet means what? even the plant-based, forget about the animal-based protein, the non-vegetarian food which we have, we cannot even have the plant-based protein. Okay, because plant-based protein is also equally good. Usually people think, no, the protein which we get from the animal are the best source. Even the vegetarian protein, the plant-based are also equally good. So if there is a report which says that, you know, you have some kidney issue or you have creatinine issue, that means the first thing is to stop the protein food. Now, stopping the protein food is not, you know, don't worry about that, because we are going to replace it with carbohydrates. So in Indian diet, anyways, we eat more of carbohydrate food. That is, staple diet is chapati and rice. Okay, that's a staple food. So, and along with this carbohydrate, if you are including lot of vegetables, now vegetables also we have to take care that there it should not be high in potassium. Okay, the when you get to see, you know, there is issue in your, there is a health problem especially related to creatinine or kidney, that means you have to you know, regulate your diet, and you have to stop eating those vegetables which are high in potassium. Now, how do we come to know which vegetables are high in potassium? So the best way to remember is avoid all the leafy vegetables and avoid all the root vegetables. The left which is remaining, you can use those vegetables. Okay, now protein, as I said, we have to actually stop taking protein. So one thing is, you know, thrice in a week or twice in a week you can go for the yellow moong dal, because yellow moong dal is a protein that can be easily digested. Because if you see, you know, any protein that takes lot of time to digest, those are complex. So getting those protein digested becomes difficult, and we do not want extra protein in our diet, especially in this kind of problem. So you can go for just the yellow moong dal twice or thrice a week, that too not every day. So main idea is to just stop having protein. It can be, you know, stop having the non-vegetarian food or even the dals and everything. So only one dal which is allowed is the yellow moong dal, that too only thrice a week. So more of carbohydrates and more of vegetables you can have. Okay. Now coming to the breakfast, lunch and dinner part. Now breakfast may, like, we have lot of options, because just because protein has to be avoided doesn't mean that we are not getting any food to eat. Still we have got a lot of food to eat. So just to give a simple option, you know, for breakfast, there are a lot of things, like for example, you can go for you know, something upma kind of thing, dalia kind of thing, wherein you can add lot of vegetables to it. Okay, so these things can be done. Even the parathas, you know, stuffed parathas can be taken, and in that you stuff, you know, those things which are not leafy or which are not rooty. So those you can stuff and have. One more thing which is important to remember is when you cut the vegetables. Okay, usually what we do is we wash vegetables and cut, or maybe now during this pandemic time, at least all of us, even I do this, I soak vegetables in water, plain water, for half an hour, and then I prepare the vegetables. So in this, ideally what you have to do is you cut the vegetables and soak it in water for 5 to 10 minutes. So in this way, you find that, see, all the micronutrients, especially the water soluble vitamins and all those things, you know, which are actually not much required at this condition, those will get washed away. That is one way, you know, just a small thing which we can keep in mind, and we can do this. So for your breakfast, you can go for stuffed paratha kind of thing. You can go for upma, you can go for dalia, those things. Now lunch and dinner is going to be the same thing. Same thing in the sense you can have only chapatis and vegetables. You cannot go for dal and all those things. Maybe you can, you know, a lot of millets you can include in your diet, because millets are something that is good for every condition. You know, any health issue, you'll find that when you're eating millets, so that is going to help you a lot, because that has got a lot of fiber content. Okay, so maybe you can switch over to some of the millets. So this can be a general, you know, simple Indian diet which you can follow. when if you are suffering from any kidney issue, or if your creatinine level is raised. Now the second
And what
part,
is creatinine?
that is, creatinine is in a simple language, it's a substance, that gets that is what to say, is there in our that is stored in our body, in our muscles. The 90 to 95% is stored in our muscles. Rest which is remaining, that is thrown out of the body. Okay, it is actually not bad. But then if this starts increasing, and if it is not getting thrown out of the body, see, the sports people and bodybuilder and all, no, they require more creatinine. The reason is because they have to build their body, the mass has to be more, no, so for them it is required. But if it is not stored properly, if it is, I mean, not thrown out properly, then you will find that the level increases. Once the level increases, then that is going to damage your kidneys. Kidneys are going to directly get affected because of the rise in creatinine levels. Okay, so that's the reason why we have to actually take care of our kidneys very well. So one way is, like for you, Dharitri ji, it's already, you're saying that there is an issue, so you can go for such kind of diet wherein you are stopping the protein and then you are having more of vegetables and carbohydrates. But for others, say for example, everything is normal, okay, nothing is detected on your
That means
test.
palakin is not allowed.
No,
Palak methi.
green leafy vegetables should be avoided in this case. Okay, so this, then others, those who are, you feel that you are absolutely fine, there's no issue at all, but still we have to take care, by doing some detoxification to our kidneys. And that can be done very easily at home, which I had already discussed several times. But specifically about kidneys, I would like to repeat once again. The first thing is, always, drink plenty of water. Now, plenty of water will be different for each individual, because Ayurveda says that, you cannot recommend anyone, like everyone, that you have to drink 4 liters or 3 liters or 5 liters, nothing like that. It's up to you how much you can drink. So when you get up in the morning, suppose you can drink 1 liter of water, drink 1 liter. If your capacity is 1.5 or 2 liters, you drink. But the thing is, you should not force yourself. Just because I said, or you read in some textbook or in some health magazine that 2 liters you have to drink when you get up in the morning, don't do like that. Drink as much as you can. Okay, that's one point which we need to take care of. The second thing to detox the kidney is by, this is a very what to say, a kind of very nice thing which can be done. Earlier also, this I had told, just take black raisins. Okay, so black raisins will be a handful, because I cannot say that you have to take 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoon. Again, depends upon the each individual is unique, so accordingly we have to take. So take uh, yeah, yes, Henry ji, you're saying something. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so yeah, so then black raisins, you take 1 handful, like 1 mutti, which we say, and soak it in 400 ml of water overnight. Morning you boil this, okay, so that the level of the water decreases a bit, and this water you drink empty stomach and eat the raisins too. So these things, the natural detox which I'm talking about, so you can, do it at a stretch for 2 weeks. Say 14 days you have done, then stop it. And then give a break of say 1 month, and again you start. See, everything we need to detox, okay? By the, like when, like we started, I and Henry ji, we were discussing, about Goa. Like people from all over world, rather, they go to Goa. And the reason is why? To spend some time, to be lively, to be happy, and we forget everything. That's a kind of way, like a way where we are, एक detox हो जाता है अपने आप. because from the regular routine. Am I right? So we go out and we spend some time with family members or friends and all. Same way, that's a detox we are doing with mind ka detox ho raha hai. Body ka detox karne ke liye we have to do certain things. We have to take care of that, because unnecessarily we are troubling it so much. So these are simple ways by which you can, detox your kidney. One is by drinking water as much as you can. Second is by adding black raisins to water, boil it next morning and have this for 2 weeks at least. So this, once you start doing this, so within 3 or 4 days, you can see the difference. Always you can see the difference. Okay, so this is one way. Third one can be, this is not so tasty one, but then still you can try, those who can. Triphala churn is very easily available. So 1 teaspoon Triphala churn, you just soak it in 1 glass of water and overnight, and next morning you just drink it empty stomach. So these are some of the ways by which you can, actually detox your kidneys. So that is how some of the, steps we can take. Yes, Sridevi ji? Yeah, unmute yourself, Sridevi ji.
I was attending another session till 4:30, from 3:30 to 4:30.
Achha.
I'd
Okay.
already registered and I was wondering, like, it's already started, only half an hour, is it? 4 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 4:30.
We started
Yeah,
at 4.
Same
4.
thing, yeah.
Asha
Yes.
also was there in that session. Both of us
I
had
was
missed
there,
half an
I
hour.
jumped here. Yes.
Yeah.
So sorry.
It's
Good
started with
afternoon.
Good
Half an
afternoon. Good afternoon. Yeah. So,
Anyway, you can continue.
okay. So, yeah.
Just
So,
wanted to
yeah.
let you know, that's all.
Oh. No, I just in the beginning, I was telling, I didn't know that whether you are there or not. I was telling, like, Sridevi ji has already told that I'm clever and witty. So I'm making everyone do something. So that's the reason, from now onwards, we can start, doing this detox program, like for every 14 days, 15 days, and then see the results. Yes,
Yeah.
Mr. Nair, you want to ask something?
Yes, good evening and thank you. Actually, I'm joining you for the first time this one. I'm
Okay.
already get set up for a few programs.
Okay.
My question is, because I have a kidney issue, my creatine level is around 2.
Uh-huh.
And
Okay.
I'm diabetic.
Okay.
So I'm taking some medicines, but I still find what the indication that you had said, no, when you urinate, have that that is there, and only the diet part. I just wanted to clarify whether we can go for these leafy vegetables like palak, spinach.
No. See, when it comes to diet, and especially it's yours is on the higher side, that means you have to take care. Okay, from
Right.
now onwards. So diet has to be very specific, in the sense we cannot consume any of the food, any of the vegetables that are high in potassium. So the leafy vegetables and the root vegetables, they both are high in potassium. So we need to avoid. So apart from leafy and root vegetables, even potatoes and other root vegetables, every leafy vegetable, whichever you are buying now, you need to stop those. And then
Even methi and things like that also not.
No leafy vegetable at all. And another thing is milk and milk products, because we are talking about the non-vegetarian food, and plus the dals, the pulses also.
Right.
So that also we are going to stop. Plus milk and milk products can also, you cannot consume those also. So the diet will have only carbohydrates and only such vegetables which are low in potassium. And you can, go for a lot of millets, because you are diabetic, you are saying. Because
Right,
in
yes.
that case, millets are good option. So there are a lot of millets available, like it can be ragi, bajra, jawar, barley.
Right.
There are buckwheat. There are so many things, and those are actually very tasty also. So you can add vegetables to it, and you can, get those things done.
Okay.
And one more thing is, no exercising in the sense which requires lot of energy and pressure you need to exert, like it can be jogging or it can be some kind of aerobics, and those things have to be avoided. Because
Okay.
once during metabolism again, the waste is going to get accumulated, because in case when the creatinine level is high, so it is not getting thrown out of the body, so excess you are going to, it is going to get accumulated, so that is again going to create. So we will not go for such exercises which need a lot of energy, like it can be jogging, cycling or swimming or
Right.
those kind of thing. Plus like I said, diet and fever, like stay away from this kind of condition where maybe you can catch cold or fever, because that also will increase the metabolism. So
Okay.
if already the levels are showing high, so you have to be very, very particular, and then please start doing with the natural detox.
Okay.
Okay. And that natural detox, as I said, black raisins, soak it in water. Next day morning, you boil it and have triflas, at least 14 days. 14 days you do one, stop, give a break of 1 month, and again start with the other home remedy for next 14 days. So these
Okay.
are simple ways, which we can take care of. Yeah.
How about groundnuts also not allowed? Groundnut,
The peanuts,
yeah, peanuts,
the raw peanuts you are saying,
raw
huh?
or
Raw,
yeah.
yeah. Not to a very larger extent, but maybe in a small quantity you can take, not much.
Okay. Because I
Okay.
have a habit of eating that quite
Ah,
frequently.
no, not like that. So
Okay.
better not to have. You have to be very
Okay.
careful in that case. Okay.
Okay.
Bhavani,
Okay.
Yes,
the
Thank
4
you.
to 5 resins that detox, can it be used by a person whose both kidneys are already impacted and they are shrunk? My brother, his creatinine is around 5 plus. It had almost touched 6 above, but because of this lockdown thing, he has rested and it has come down to 5 point something. And
Okay.
he's taking all other things he's been doing, but
Okay.
I want that it should come down further because of these home remedies, if
Yeah.
possible.
See, there is no harm in trying these home remedies because it is not having any side effect. Rather, it is going to help your brother. So try this for 2 weeks and then stop. It won't harm. So
Okay.
maybe, yeah.
So anything else for someone who has got such a high level of creatinine?
Any home remedy you're asking about?
Yes.
Yeah. So home remedy, these are the 2, 3 home remedies. One is drinking water as per your capacities, eating black raisins, and then going for triflachurn. And triflachurn is something, maybe little bit, if you might get watery stools and all, that can happen. But it won't be, not much of a trouble, but it won't be tastier also. So any one you can try. See, water anyways we are drinking when we get up in the morning. So apart from drinking water, make a habit of having either the black raisins or going for trifla. So these things can be done. And for your brother, as he should not be going for any kind of strenuous exercises. So rest is of utmost importance. Yeah.
He takes rest as much as possible.
Yes. Yeah.
And what about
Uh,
fruits, madam? Fruits? What about
Yeah,
fruits are
so
allowed?
now yes, fruits are allowed, but then again, there's a problem for the selection of fruits, because all fruits you cannot take. Because in my every session, I keep on telling having bananas. Bananas are a superfood, but in this case, you cannot take bananas because it is rich in potassium. So maybe you
Okay.
can go for apples, or you can go for some strawberries, such kind of fruits. Okay. So
Okay.
there are only few fruits which can be taken. So majority of fruits which we Indians take, so all these are rather, restricted. Yeah. So better go for apples. Yeah. Dharitriji, you were asking something. You raised your hand. Yeah. Please unmute yourself.
Sorry. I wanted to know how much water you said with water. So how much water you have to?
Yeah. See, for water, again, it varies from individual to individual. So how much ever you can drink, there is no hard and fast rule. In Ayurveda, they drink 3 liter or 4 liter. It's your capacity. If you can drink 2 glasses in the morning and you're not exerting yourself, 2 glasses are fine. If you can drink 2 liters, 2 liter is also fine. Totally up to you. We are not going to put a lot of pressure. Okay, so that water is totally up to you. Okay, yeah. So yeah, the reason, why I selected this topic was because this is something, though it's when we go deeper in this topic, there are a lot more to talk, lot more to discuss. But then this is a case where, this is a kind of case where there are very few people we see with these problems. When we talk about diabetes, now diabetes is worldwide. Heart problem, it's worldwide. Every other person is suffering from this. But when it comes to kidney related problem or rise in creatinine level and all, so very few, there are a set of people, very small set of people who are suffering from this. But still I wanted, to some extent, if we have little bit of knowledge, and we try to understand our body, so then we can, actually take care of it. Yes, Henry ji, you wanted to say something?
I just like to add something on
Yeah.
creatinine because even I was not, although I go for a routine check, we never see any readings. We normally go for like, since I'm diabetic or something, we go on those readings. So recently, maybe when the lockdown started, so my doctor, she also took for routine urine examination, which I don't think many people do it once in a year or something. And that the albumin level was slightly higher, crossing the border. Then when the creatine level was also higher, it was not crossing the border, but it was in the borderline.
Yeah.
So then I was asked to do some more tests, but because of the pandemic, those days little risky to go, I avoided. But I don't know, I have not changed my diet as such much. But after 3 months again, it came down to, quite below normal in both the tests. So, so one thing is that a simple urine test also sometimes shows if the kidneys are anything wrong in the
And plus, if
so
you are
otherwise I had to undergo, I was scared to undergo. I was asked to go to a nephrologist, and then and nowadays, going to a hospital, how complicated it is.
Yes. And another thing is, if you're suffering from diabetes or high BP and all, no, so it also has there are chances, your creatinine level might
normally the creatinine, this test, diabetics, they are asking, normally they ask to do the test along with the blood test.
Yes. Because there is a lot of correlation between this. One thing goes up, that means the other thing will also go. And especially if you are diabetic, that means you have to really take care of yourself, because there are a lot of other things associated to it. So once, that's the reason why we usually, diabetes is called a silent killer. But now researchers have shown that it can be reversed by proper lifestyle.
I think what happens, like, diabetes, I think one need not do much if it is slightly. It's the weight reduction helps a lot in cutting, bringing down the diabetes. Weight reduction and sugar. If some you can restrict little sugar. These are the two things I think helps. I don't know about others. Like, I've seen my own experiment.
Stress also plays a very important role. If the stress level is high, then it goes. So better, once you have a certain medical ailment, so get the creatinine test also done, kidney functioning test also done. Because that will, anyways, we are going to get the other test done. So one more test is added to it, so that at least we can ensure that everything is fine. If something is wrong, we can go for the medications and other alternative therapies and all. So that way. So so this is like a few things, if even if those who are healthy, those who are not having any issue, kidney problem or something, only thing what I want to say, whenever I see Sridevi ji, to mujhe wahi baat yaad aa rahi hai kal ki. But what I'm trying to say is, provide that nice environment within your body so that, you know, it's always in a good condition. Like we can give lot of, what to say, you know, provide good things to every organ. So that can be done only, one is by proper diet, second rest, third is mind. If you're mentally, if you're happy and energized, then everything will be fine. So these are few steps which can lead to a healthier and happier life, a better life, and that's what we are looking for. Correct? Okay.
No, whatever we have told, it's all in a positive manner because
No, I took it in a positive. No, actually, whole
evening.
evening I started laughing yesterday. It was so funny, but then I took it as a challenge, saying that now I am going to be very strict with all of you. So, you know,
And
every session.
you should be happy because yesterday I didn't have my chai. I had
Oh.
your ginger coriander.
Wow. Yeah.
Today also I'm going to continue that. But morning I couldn't give up my coffee. I had only just got a cup of coffee.
Good.
I tried my best.
So two people, very nice. Two people gave this feedback. One more, sorry, I don't remember, could not see her name. She also said she has given up on tea today. You have also said. So that's a very positive thing.
Because I
You
have
have
only
one time.
in the evening.
3 times.
Now,
I cut down to 2 times now.
Okay. Okay.
I cut down 1 time. After breakfast, I used to have with the breakfast. So I have given up. So morning and evening is. So 1/3 is cut up. 1/3.
Yes, good. So a lot of changes I can see. So I think after, when everything is normal now, we should actually have a get together. Okay, all of us together. You know, since so many months we are meeting virtually, so we can have a nice, you know, party at my place. Come to Mumbai, all of you. And so nice. See, that's the reason why I keep on telling, you know, it's not only you all, but then every person when I meet, the only thing that's the reason at times, you know, some people, they get irritated, in the sense my family members, every time you talk on this only, because I want actually everyone to lead a, you know, happy life, and that happiness will come if you have good health, and that good health can come if you're taking care of yourself properly. That's the only thing ultimately, yes, right? So Mr. Nair, as you said, I think this is the first session for you, na? So are you there on the WhatsApp group? Because I've pasted the link.
Yes, I'm on WhatsApp group. Yeah.
Okay. So I've pasted the link. I'll just quickly share this feedback link also. Just a second.
Okay.
So that all of you can, you know, give your feedback. And I've pasted the feedback link. Yes. Okay. So any other question? And
where is that feedback
tomorrow,
link, madam? Where is the feedback link? Where is the feedback?
I have just posted on the chat.
Okay.
Shared on the chat. Yeah. Okay. And so tomorrow again 3 o'clock session, and as far as I remember, tomorrow is low fat recipe session. So I'm planning to, you know, show some of the millet recipes, because on the day 1 of this year we started with millets, and people had this confusion what to make. So we can make a lot of good things, you know, sweets and savory and a lot of other things with millet. So we'll be doing that tomorrow. Okay. So
I had one question, madam.
Yes.
Talking about the raisins in the morning to take now for a diabetic, is that?
Diabetic, yes. Thank God you asked this question. I just, you know, I forgot to mention this. As a diabetic, you will not be able to have the raisins. For you, the only option remains is just plain water, and then trifla, and that too not much, just half teaspoon you soak in a glass of water and drink this in the morning. Maybe 7 days you start with, give a break for 15 days, then again 7 days you do. Good, Mr. Nair, you just reminded this. I totally skipped my mind about diabetic. It's because Yeah, we have to be very, very, with diabetes, we have to be very, what to say, एकदम प्यार से रहना पड़ता है diabetics के साथ.
सही बात है. You
All
can't have
sweet
everything.
people. Sweet people.
Bhavani ji.
Yeah. Yes,
Bhavani ji, I
Sumati,
have
yeah.
a question.
Yes,
Yeah.
Sumati.
One of one of your previous classes, one session just overlapped, and I couldn't attend that particular session. This was about, then later on I found the notes, even though I'd registered for it. You were talking something about the milk thistle, which is I think liver detox or something. What is it, Bhavani ji? Milk thistle? Is it a natural product,
Acha,
or is
milk
it comes in
thistle.
a...
No, milk
Yes.
is, yeah. So that the whole thing was on, yes, right. So milk thistle is a herb. So which is usually, available in the Ayurveda shops and all, but it is little rare to get. It's
Okay.
little difficult to get, but milk thistle is the best natural herb detox.
Okay.
So
And
that,
how it has to be consumed? Can you just brief a small little thing about?
it's
Is
just,
it about liver?
yeah, it's just,
It's
say
for
half
liver.
teaspoon, half teaspoon something
Mhm.
with water you have to have. That's it. Empty stomach. That's it.
Empty stomach. And
Yeah,
it's good
yeah,
for liver,
yeah.
right? Liver detox.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Madam, or water?
So, Dharitri ji, what?
You said water or butter?
Water. Okay. Okay, so thank you all for joining, and I hope you like the session. Please give your feedback, and tomorrow at 3 o'clock. Okay,
Yeah.
thanks.
Can this overlapping be avoided, Bhavani? Because I thought it was at 5 because I attended the other session. Then I saw that the session was on the
I
way.
think then for that we need to talk to Anita because she
Yeah.
takes care of this. So
Yeah.
I'll also check if you get to talk to her. You can also check. I'll just check with her. So with which
Okay.
session it was getting?
Current session looking
Acha.
beautiful.
Okay. I'll just
So
check.
for
Yeah.
3:30 to 4:30, we were in this. Me and Asha, I think. Asha also was in that session.
Yes.
Excuse
me, how to join the WhatsApp group?
I have given the link on the chat box. Can you see? It's there.
Just
Okay,
a minute.
I'll paste it again if you want. I'll just one second.
please.
Just I'm doing it. Just a second. Yeah. Yeah, I've done this. Can you see now?
No, I can't see it in the chat, no?
Yeah, chat. Okay, one
Yeah, it's
second.
not sent.
No, one second.
Even I can't see.
Like 1 second. Just a second. I don't know why it's now it is done. Oh, Beena ji is also there. I just saw her.
Yeah, one point I want to say that even potassium is more in this coconut also. Doctors say that you take less coconut नहीं खाओ, कम खाओ. If you have potassium problem.
हाँ, एक सर्टन ये होने के बाद में बहुत सारी चीजें रेस्ट्रिक्शन आ जाती है ना कम करने की.
Now we are confused that leafy vegetables we have to cut, and then dal also, and we are vegetarian, so and
no,
then
but
milk
do
product.
you no? Are you suffering from any kind of?
I have no problem. I have no problem. My brother has this problem, but vegetarians has this limitations of what to eat, only millets and some fruits.
Because see, even not vegetarians, even those who are non-vegetarians, for them also, once this problem starts, the doctor himself will tell that you have to stop, completely avoid non-vegetarian food, and for vegetarians, it's like completely stop all the pulses, only moong dal. That's what is recommended. Okay, so yeah, it's so see you tomorrow. It's 4 o'clock. 5, sorry. So we have another session.
What is the subject tomorrow?
Tomorrow we'll prepare something with millets, low fat recipe.
Oh, right. That I'm preparing already.
Yeah, I'll just check. I think tomorrow is low fat only. I'll have to again go back to the
It is.
timetable.
Yeah, it is low fat.
Low fat. No?
Thank you.
Okay. So thank you all of you.
Okay,
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Bhavani.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Lot.
See you tomorrow. Yeah. Bye.
See
And
you.
please
you.
give the feedback. Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you, but I've not yet got that.
What?
Thank you.
What
I've
did you
not
not
got
get?
the message. That
What
message
did you?
for joining WhatsApp.
Yes, it's there. I have shared.
No, I can't.
What is
No,
tomorrow's
it's not.
topic?
Pardon?
Tomorrow's topic?
Cook a low fat recipe.
Okay. Can you
Okay.
also include low carb diet?
A low carb diet, if you are going for low carb diet, then you have to increase, it should be high in protein. And when we talk about our geographical and climatic condition, for us, high protein diet is not required. So basically, Indian diets are going to be high carb only. So low in one way it can happen, like if you start including millet. So tomorrow anyways, the millet session is there. So you can also consider it as a little bit of, low carb diet. Okay.
Okay.
I have pasted the WhatsApp link. I don't know why. I can see here. I don't know. It has not
Well, I give
come.
you a number. You put me in WhatsApp.
No, see, I have again. Okay, I think it has gone in the private chat. Now you must be seeing.
Yeah, now we got
And
it.
it
Yeah,
went
it's
to
there.
Anjali. Yeah. Okay. Now done. No, you can see.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. See you all tomorrow at 3 p.m. Bye.
See you,
That was
Bhavani.
excellent.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.